I leave that for you to say amen. Hallelujah. Amen. I wrote a poem that I titled, Have You Met Abigail? Amen. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is amazing. She lived in Carmel, the wife of Nabal. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is attractive, known for her beauty and her discernment. She was remarkable. Have you met Abigail? Her husband was very rich, but harsh and badly behaved. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is approachable. One of her servants came and told her what Nabal had done. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is alarmed. Her husband had offended David and put her whole household in danger. Have you met Abigail? Abigail knew she must act to protect her people, to save them. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is authoritative. She takes responsibility. She does not mourn or blame or sulk. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is an ambassador. She goes to David with donkey loads of edible gifts to intercede. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is accountable. She falls at David's feet and claims all the blame. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is an arbitrator, persuading David not to take revenge but to show mercy. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is able. She saves the lives of her husband, servant, and shepherd. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is alone. She becomes the widow of harsh, badly behaved man. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is alarming with her beauty, wisdom, and humility. Catch David's eye. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is adorable. David proposed on the spot and she became a queen. Have you met Abigail? Abigail is astonishing. As far as I am concerned, she's a real-life superhero. Sometimes, life gives us challenges. It might not be a bad-behaved husband who offends the king and puts our whole family at risk, but it could be death or sickness or unemployment or a million other possible challenges. I love that Abigail did not just sit down and feel sorry for herself, but she stood up and acted with wisdom and humility, taking responsibility and risked to cover their mistakes of others. By the way, if you have not met Abigail yet, let me introduce Abigail to you. Abigail is every woman in this church right now sitting beside you. Amen.
We are all Abigail.